Class 12th, next chapter, New Centers of Power. It is also known as Alternative Centers of Power. First, we are going to discuss about European Union, EU, European Union. After the end of the Second World War, there was a dilemma among many European leaders over the status of Europe. The Second World War shattered the structure on which the European states has based their relations. The Cold War aided the integration of Europe after 1945. The European economy was revived by the extensive financial support by USA under the Marshall Plan. The Organization for European Economic Cooperation OEEC was established in 1948 to channel aid to the West European states. Another step forward in political cooperation was the establishment of the Council of Europe in 1949. The disintegration of USSR led to the formation of European Union in 1992, which laid the foundation for a common foreign and security policy, cooperation on justice, and creation of a single currency. The EU, European Union, has evolved over time from an economic union to an increasingly political one. The EU has economic, political, diplomatic, and military influence. Economically, the EU is the world's biggest economy. It had a GDP of more than $12 trillion in 2005. Its currency, euro, can pose a threat to the dominance of the US dollar. On the political and diplomatic ground, Britain and France, the two members of EU, are permanent members of the UN Security Council. In the defense field, EU, European Union's combined armed forces are the second largest in the world. Next is ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. Before and during the Second World War, the Southeast Asia suffered a lot from repeated colonialism, that is both European and Japanese. There were problems of nation building, ravages of poverty and economic backwardness, and a pressure to align with any of the two super blocs. The Southeast Asian countries established the Association of Southeast Asian Nations in 1967 as an alternative to Bandung Conference and the Non-Aligned Movement. On the ASEAN logo, the 10 stalks of paddy represent the 10 Southeast Asian countries bound together in friendship and solidarity. The circle symbolizes the unity of ASEAN. There were 5 founding countries, namely Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. The objectives of ASEAN was to accelerate economic growth, social progress, promote regional peace, stability, and cultural development. The members of the association promoted ASEAN Way, a form of interaction that is informal, non-confrontationist, and cooperative. In 2003, an ASEAN community was established comprising 3 pillars, namely the ASEAN Security Community, ASEAN Economic Community, and the ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community. The member states promised to uphold peace, neutrality, cooperation, non-interference, and respect for national differences and sovereign rights. The ASEAN Economic Community aims for a common market and to aid social and economic development in the region. ASEAN has a vision 2020 which has defined an outward-looking role for ASEAN in the international community. Next is rise of the Chinese economy. China has been growing as an economic power since 1978. It is projected to overtake the US as the world's largest economy by 2040. In 1949, the economy of the China was based on Soviet model. It now rallied on its own resources. During 1970s, China established relations with the USA, ending its political and economic isolation. An open door policy was announced by Deng Xiaoping in 1978. This is again one short, very important answer. Open door policy. It aimed at generating high productivity by investments in capital technology from abroad. Special economic zones were set up. State had a centralized role in setting up of China's economy. Still, the Chinese economy did not benefit everyone in China. The rate of unemployment has risen, working conditions and female employment is bad. However, regionally and globally, China has been in limelight economic power. Next is related with India-China relations. India and China had a cordial relations since time immemorial. Both have political, economic, and cultural relations. Very soon, both the countries involved in border dispute. The difference aroused from the Chinese takeover of Tibet in 1950. India suffered military reverses in the conflict of 1962. Diplomatic relations between the two countries were downgraded until 1976. And even recently, we have seen the conflict, the issue that took place at the border. Now, important facts highlighted. After the Second World War, Europe shattered the assumptions and structures on which the European states had based their relations. To revive European economy, the US introduced Marshall Plan to establish Organization for European Economic Cooperation in 1948. Through OEEL, Western European states began to cooperate on trade and economic issues. EU, established in 1992, was a group of European capitalist countries with a common foreign and security policy, cooperation on justice and home affairs and creation of single currency, and also has its own flag, anthem and founding date. The EU has economic, political, diplomatic and military influence as the EU is the world's biggest economy, which gives its influence over its closest neighbors and in Asia and Africa, and it functions as an important bloc in International World Economic Organization as the World Trade Organization. In political and diplomatic influence, two members of EU, Britain and France, hold permanent seat in the UN Security Council, as well as non-permanent members in UNSC, which enable to influence the US policies, that is, current position on Iran's nuclear program, use of diplomacy, economic investment, and in case of a dialogue with China on human rights and environmental degradation. Militarily, the EU's combined armed forces are the second largest in the world by spending second after the US, and Britain and France also have nuclear arsenal. And it is the most important source of space and communications technology also. Though EU bears common interest, still its member states have their own foreign relations and defense policies that are often at odds with each other. That is, Britain favored the US Iraq invasion, which other members of EU, Germany and France opposed America's this policy. All these limit the ability of the EU to act in matter of foreign relations and defense. Before and during the Second World War, Southeast regions of Asia suffered economic political consequences of repeated colonialism. As well as the end of war, it confronted with the problems of nation building, which gave birth to Association of Southeast Asian Nations, popularly known as ASEAN, for uniform cooperation and interaction. ASEAN was established in 1967 by 5 countries of this region: Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand, by signing the Bangkok Declaration. Over the years, Brunei Darussalam, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar and Cambodia made its 10 to 10. These countries celebrated the ASEAN Way, a form of informal interaction, non confrontation, and cooperation standing on three pillars in 2003, which is Asian Security Committee, Asian Economic Committee, and Asian Socio-Cultural Committee. This vision 2020 encourages negotiations over the conflict in the region by mediating the end of Cambodian conflict, East Timor crisis, and meets annually to discuss East Asian cooperation. In recent years, India has also tried to make agreements with ASEAN by signing free trade areas with two Asian members. After independence of People's Republic of China in 1949, Soviet model of economy was adopted under the leadership of Mao by assuring employment, social welfare, education to all, and better health as China began to use its own resources and grow Chinese economy at the rate of 5 to 6%. China ended its political and economic isolation with major policy decisions taken in 1970s. This included China-US relations established in 1972. Regionally and globally, China is going to be recognized as an economic power due to contributory factors. That is, integration and interdependency have tempered its issues with Japan, the US, ASEAN, Russia, and Taiwan. Even China's outward-looking investment and aid policies in Latin America and Africa are projecting it as a global player. Relations between India and China began to improve slowly from the mid-1970s, but still there is no progress in this. Words that matter: European Union, OEEC, Marshall Plan, ASEAN, ASEAN Way, ASEAN Regional Forum, Special Economic Zones, Open Door Policy, three pillars of ASEAN Community: Asian Security Community, Asian Economic Community, and Asian Socio-Cultural Community. Now some important dates. April 1951, 6 West European countries, France, West Germany, Italy, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg signed the Treaty of Paris, establishing the European Coal and Steel Community. March 25, 1957, these 6 countries signed the Treaties of Rome, establishing the European Economic Community (EEC) and the European Atomic Energy Community. January 1973, Denmark, Ireland, and United Kingdom joined the European Community. June 1979, first direct elections to the European Parliament held. January 1981, Greece joins the EC. June 1985, the Schengen Agreement abolishes border controls among the EC members. January 1986, Spain and Portugal joined the EC. October 1990, unification of Germany. February 7, 1992, Treaty of Maastricht was signed, establishing the European Union. January 1993, the single market was created. January 1995, Austria, Finland, and Sweden joined the EU. January 2002, Euro, the new currency, was introduced in the 12 EU members. January 2007, Bulgaria and Romania joined the EU. Slovenia adopts the euro. This was the detail of the chapter